Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website called EasyHits4U. All right, let's take a look at this traffic exchange to see whether you can get free traffic and free clicks to your affiliate links or whatever offers you're promoting online, and whether this is a good way to make money or not. All right. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US per month, you can just click the link below in the description box. I'll send you that training for free directly to your email. All right. Now let's take a look at EasyHits4U. This is a very old traffic exchange website. It's been around since 2003, so that's a long time. That's at the time of recording this video, it's like 20 years. Okay, so there are quite a few of these traffic exchanges kind of still lying around, right? And basically, this is exactly how a traffic exchange works. So they've got a lot of members, all right, because a lot of people are very inexperienced and they don't really understand how affiliate marketing and internet marketing really works. So this type of website would generally attract those types of people, and that's okay. You know, if you're a beginner, you're a newbie, you don't really understand, this is kind of what this kind of website does, right? So if you come here and you just sign up for free, essentially what it is it's a database of all sorts of people online that are looking to promote their offers. Usually it's some sort of affiliate offer. It could be an affiliate offer to a weight training program, or to a crypto investment program, or to a make money from home product, you know, all sorts of different affiliate offers, right? And the way that it works is they say that if you watch and click on the links of other people who are on the same platform trying to do the same thing, they've got their link and they post it onto EasyHits4U, and you'll see when you log in, there's a whole bunch of offers that you'll take a look at. Every time you look at an offer and you click on somebody's link, whether you decide to opt in or not, that's a different thing, right? When you click on it, you're gonna get 3 coins, okay, for every link that you look at. And in exchange for that, you're gonna get credit for you to drop your link in their platform so that you can be part of the system and the rotator, so that other people doing the same thing will also see your link and click on your link, and some people will opt in and some people won't. Okay, that way you can generate some traffic, and that's kind of how a traffic exchange works. Okay, now if you want, you can also upgrade. So they've got paid plans. EasyHits4U has 2 paid plans. They have a $7.95 per month plan, and they have a $19.95 per month plan. All right. Now with the $7.95 plan, you get an additional 3,000 points or coins when you start every month, and with the $19.95 plan, you get an additional 6,000 coins, which means that it allows you to get more people clicking on your link. Okay, that's kind of how it works. Now the big question is does this work? Can you really get free traffic, or in this case you're paying for it, right, depending if you want to upgrade or not, or is this a complete waste of time? Okay, well, here's how this really works, right? And this is for people that don't really understand how a traffic exchange works. You have to understand that these people right here, the 1.8 million members that they've had over the last 20 years or whatever it is, right? They are all beginners. They're all coming here because it sounds like an easy way to generate clicks and get eyeballs to their affiliate links. But what they don't understand is that traffic on the internet is very, very different. There is good traffic, high quality traffic, and there's traffic that is very, very low quality, all right? And that all depends on the motivation of that person clicking on your link and their intention. All right. Now, when people join a traffic exchange like EasyHits4U, their intention is not to opt into anything. Their intention is just to get free clicks on their link, right? That's why you're checking out EasyHits4U, because you want to come here and you want to promote your link, right? So if you think about it, the hundreds of thousands of people that are on this particular website, their intention is also the same thing. They're not looking to buy an offer. They don't want to check out any offers. They just want to get traffic, free clicks to their particular affiliate link, their offer, right? So when you're going through other people's links and you're just clicking on them, you're not going to opt in, or your intention is maybe you might opt in if something looks interesting, but you're definitely not going to buy, because your motivation and your intention is not to buy. Your motivation here is just to click and get points so that you can promote your own link. Does that make sense? So if everybody's intention is the same, then the quality of the traffic is extremely low. Does that make sense, right? So when you actually log in, you're going to see that there's a whole bunch of different affiliate links that you have to check out to get your coins. And they are all sorts of different offers. They might be promoting Binance, or they might be promoting a weight loss program, or a motivation program, or a yoga program, or a gardening program, right? And you don't really care about all this stuff because you're just interested in getting your coins so that you can promote your link more. All right. So is this a good way to make money? Absolutely not. All right. Even though they have a lot of members and EasyHits4U has been online for a long time, it doesn't mean that the quality of the traffic is high, right? What's going to happen is you're going to get a free account, you're going to log in, you're going to promote your link inside of here. You're going to spend hours and hours clicking on other people's links so that you can add up all your coins and then hopefully allow you to show your link to other people on the platform. But what's going to happen is you're going to get people clicking on your link, and most of them won't opt in. They're not going to give you their email. Some of them will, but a lot of them will not buy. Okay, if you're lucky and you spend like hundreds of man hours on this platform, you might get 1 or 2 sales, but it's just not a good way for you to make money, because the quality of the traffic and the motivation of the person clicking on your link is not to buy an offer. They're just there to promote their own links. Does that make sense, right? So it's not that affiliate marketing doesn't work. Affiliate marketing works. I've made millions of dollars in affiliate marketing personally. I've taught hundreds of people all over the world to create full-time incomes with affiliate marketing. The problem is that quality traffic and bad traffic is a real thing online. If you don't understand how to generate quality traffic, then the people that are landing on your websites, they're just not going to buy from you, because there is a difference between good traffic and bad traffic. All right, and that's pretty much it, right? So I would say that if you're checking out EasyHits4U and you're thinking, oh, I've got an affiliate link, I'm just going to join these guys for free and get people to click on my link for free, you're not going to make any money this way. This is a very, very bad way to do affiliate marketing or to promote your offers. A lot of people that are new, they think that this is a quick way to start making traffic. It's not. You're going to spend a lot of man hours and you're going to get hardly any clicks, hardly any opt-ins, and even less sales. All right. The only way that you're really going to make sales for your particular affiliate link is if you learn to generate traffic properly. Okay. So that means that you need to stop taking shortcuts. You need to understand that, you know, internet marketing and making sales online is a real thing. You can create real full-time income. I mean, I've done it. You know, I quit my full-time job in April 2019. I've made millions of dollars online through mainly affiliate marketing, selling other people's products, and even selling some of my own products. But you have to learn the strategy to do it properly. There are no shortcuts, okay? But the truth is it doesn't take that much time. You just have to understand that you can't take you can't take shortcuts. You have to learn it properly. So if you want to learn to get real traffic, high quality traffic, then learn a real skill set. Go out there and learn YouTube marketing, learn Facebook marketing, learn Google search ad marketing, learn SEO traffic, right? Learn how to do TikTok properly, right? Learn how to actually go out there to generate real traffic, and then the quality of the traffic will be much higher, because when people land on your website, they're ready to actually transact with you. They know, like, and trust you already before they even give you their email address. Does that make sense? That's the big difference between something like this, where it's just random links, and really learning how to generate your own traffic. I hope that makes sense. So basically, overall, I would stay away from EasyHits4U. 100%. Don't waste your time on websites like this. Stay away from traffic exchanges, because they're just going to give you extremely low quality traffic that's unmotivated and not intending to buy anything from you at all. I hope that makes sense, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you're here watching this video, then you're probably somebody that's looking for a way to generate more income online. Maybe you're looking to generate more traffic. Maybe you're looking for a way to promote your affiliate links. There is a very specific way to do it, and to do it properly, all right? So if you would like to find out the way that I do it, this is how I've gotten, a lot of people to over $5,000 to $10,000 per month. If that's something that you're interested in, I'll send you the training for free. If you just click on the link below the video in the description box, enter your email address, and I'll send you that training to your email for free. Make sure you check your spam folder, because sometimes email ends up in spam these days. And then enjoy the training, because it's going to show you how to get real traffic, how do you convert them into sales, and how do you really start to make $5,000 to $10,000 at least minimum per month. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I will see you on another review video. Take care.